Hello YouTube, Chastek back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix Windows script host error in Appdata, which is the system cannot find the file specified. So you are seeing such kind of error on your computer, so you are in the right place to solve your problem. So in order to solve this problem, we should have to download some file and run it in order to get the error. So in order to do that, open your browser, maybe Google Chrome, Explorer, or any browser. Just open it. So after you open the browser, type here System Internal Autorun. So here System Internal Autorun, then press Enter. So after you press Enter, you will find here a Microsoft based link, which is you will find the Autoruns for Windows. So open this one. Make sure you open the Microsoft.com. It is the Microsoft official site. Then after that, you will find here download Autoruns here 3.7 megabytes. So download this one. Here the download started. So here the download completed. So click here and find for show in folder. So here the file appeared. So right click on it and select here extract all. Then confirm here by selecting extract. So after it's extracted, you will find here different options. So make sure you select this one, Autoruns 64. This one, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. And confirm by selecting yes and agree. Wait until it will finish the process. Then after that, go here on the top, which is quick filter. Select this one and type here VVS and press enter. So after you type, then you scroll down and find if there is a file which is in a red line. If you find it in a red line, just right click on it and select delete. So after you delete that error, then close your Autoruns and close your Explorer and restart your computer. So after the restart, all the issues related with the system cannot find the file specified or the Windows script host error in Appdata will be resolved. So I hope this video will help you fix your problem, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.